Respected colleagues, members of the House of Representatives, we have discussed extensively on the railway development in Nigeria, particularly on railway modernization and also the award of contract on rail in 3 cities, namely Lagos, Kaduna, and Kano. We have observed that MOFI was the one that awarded the contract to 2 or 3 contractors without the Ministry of Land Transportation, the ministry charged with the constitutional responsibility of building railways and managing it under the Nigerian Railway Corporation. We found it to be bizarre and awkward for award of contract of up to $3 billion to companies and by the Ministry of Finance Incorporated, that they don't have engineers, they don't have professionals to handle the technical aspect of it. And we cannot proceed with this meeting unless we invite the Ministry of Finance and also MOFI to come and appear before this joint committee to explain how that contract was awarded. The source of funding will also have to be explained, and the completion date for the contract need to be explained to all of us. And not only that, we need to know how the rail construction is going to affect the cities that are going to benefit from it. Several people are going to be displaced. We want to know the arrangement made for payment of compensation and resettlement.
Hold on now. A lot have been said, but let it be on record that we invited MOFI, we invited the Permanent Secretary Finance, and they are both not here. And Nigerians need to know these things. Like we all rightly agree, it is the taxpayers' money. Not showing themselves here today is undermining the lawmakers. And we will not, it's completely unacceptable.